Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, founder of mandeeps.com, and in this video we'll be adding a vertical menu to one of the pages in our Porto 3 theme. So let's get started. What I have here is a default installation of DNN 8 on which we've already installed and applied Porto 3 theme. I also went ahead and imported the Porto 3 template, so I have a demo site to work with, and you can refer to the installation and activation video and how to import a Portal template video to follow along. But in this video what we're basically going to do is add a vertical menu. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and log in here as a super user. You can do the same or log in as an admin. I'm going to go ahead and just browse to a page, and on this particular page I want a vertical menu on the right. Right now I just have some static categories, but I want the menu to also appear vertically here. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to switch here over to the documentation on our site, which you can get to through support documentation and by selecting Porto theme. And I'm just looking at the menu management vertical menu page here, which says the first thing we want to do is add a DDR menu module to the page. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on modules, add new module, and I'm just going to type in the search DDR, and there's the DDR menu, which I'm going to drag and place it right here. So I've done step number 1. Step number 2 says navigate to the module settings, and step 3 says to add this value here to the menu style. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this value, and now I can go ahead and go to the module settings, make sure you're on the menu settings here, and then I'm basically just pasting that value right here into the menu style, which is resources/vertical menu. That's it. If I hit update, what I'm going to have now is a vertical menu. There we go. Now this menu is fully functional. You can go ahead and expand and all your children and so forth, and it tells me that you're in pages and layouts on right sidebar, which I can verify from here on the top as well. So right there, that's where I am on the right sidebar. So that's pretty cool and neat. This is your normal title that you can go ahead and simply change from the module settings, and I can have it say navigation, or you can simply remove that altogether by unchecking the display container option under page settings, which is right here. Oops, sorry, right here. You can uncheck that. Anyways, let's take a look at menu settings and see some other options that we have. I'm going to go ahead and switch back to documentation, and step number 4 says that we have few options for node selector. So I'm just going to copy one of them called root only and go right here. So if you notice, in our menu right now is showing all the pages just like the menu on the top, but if I go ahead and add root only here to node selection, what it's going to do is only going to show me the root menu items, which is the home page, blog, shortcodes and so forth, and it's telling me I am on pages or one of the children's there. There is no sub children shown now. So that's one option. Let's go back to settings again and let's look at the documentation. There's also an option called root children, which means that it's going to show us the current root page and all its children. So in our case it will be the pages, that's the root. It's only showing the children of that root. So what we're seeing is all this right here only. As we can see, that's all we see right here. So that's another option. And then finally, if there's also option called current children, which you can use to show the current children of the page that you're on. For example, if I was on the pages page, I will see this. Since I am on a right sidebar page, there are no children, so I wouldn't see anything. There are more options that you can use to customize exactly what to show here. Please refer to our documentation, and for advanced users, refer to the DDR menu reference guide on dnnsoftware.com, which guides you how to use and customize this portal. That's it for the short video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please do open a support ticket and we'll be happy to assist you.